So today we are going to start with our first lecture of this series, which is Introduction to Operating System. So before discussing about what operating system is, let's see a few of the definitions. So first is hardware. So what is a hardware? Then what is a software? So we must know the difference between hardware and the software to know what is operating system. So hardware is something uh, that you have. For example, this is mouse, this is keyboard, then you have printer. So all those devices which you can feel, okay, these are called hardware. And what is software? Software is something that is installed inside the computer system. For example, it includes Word, Word, MS Excel, right? Uh, Paint, all those applications that you use inside the computer system. These are called as software. Now, software is again two types of. There are two types of softwares. Okay, first is application software, and second is system software. Second is system software. So application software and system software, there are two types of software. So system software are the software which helps which run using system only. Now what is system? If I talk about system, so system is nothing, it's just CPU, it's just your RAM, basically memory, it's your IO basically. Okay, so system constitutes of minimum requirements, and system software are the software which runs using these only. Okay, and application software are the software which runs using system software. So system software helps application software to run. For example, let's see a example for this. Suppose I have okay. Suppose I have a examples of application software are Microsoft Word, Excel. So these run on Windows operating system. So operating system. So any operating system is a system software. And any program like MS Word, MS Office, all these are application software. Okay, so before understanding the definition of operating system, we are understanding what is a system software and what is a application software. So application software takes help of system software to run. What does this means? Now, before jumping to the definition of operating system, let me tell you how does this works. Suppose, so you know what is a hardware. So hardware can be your memory, your printer, or your keyboard or your mouse. Then over the hardware, operating system is installed. Okay, and then in the operating system, various application softwares are installed. Application softwares are installed, and user gives commands to these application softwares to get its task done. Okay, so user gives command to first application software, which is Microsoft Word. It also gives commands to Microsoft uh, Excel. So all these commands all are given on different application. They go to operating system. Operating system handle those commands and pass it to CPU. Okay, so this is how the uh, overall computer works. So operating system is nothing. First definition is it is a resource manager. Resource manager. And second definition is it provides the connection between software, application software, and hardware. So these are the two definitions of a operating system. So what is resource manager? Resource are your CPU, your IO, your all the devices, all the hardware devices connected to your PC. And operating system basically manages these resources, and it is a connection between application software and hardware, or you can say it's a connection between user and hardware. Okay, so this is the definition of operating system. In next lecture we'll study what are the types of operating systems.